Meaning of instructive.
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 Instructive. The term instructive refers to something that provides useful information, knowledge or guidance on a particular subject. It can also refer to something that is educational or informative, and that helps to improve one's understanding or skills in a given area. For example, a book can be described as instructive if it teaches the reader how to cook or play a musical instrument or solve mathematical problems. Similarly, a teacher or mentor can provide instructive feedback to a student or mentee to help them improve their performance or skills.